Hello, this is Mr. McNeal. I'm going to show you how to do a Python project. For this Python project, you can see my screen. I'm using Trinket. You can find that at trinket.io. We have been asked to create a script, a Python script, that the users can enter the numerical information to calculate the area of a triangle. And that would be helpful to add that little correct spelling. All right, so what we're going to do first is we need to think about what we're doing. Again, we've been asked to calculate the area of a triangle. So in my comment code here, I'm going to comment my tasks in. So task 1, I'm going to calculate the area of a triangle. I'm going to solicit input from the user. And I need to know the area of a triangle, the formula for math. And I'm not necessarily a math person, so I'm going to look it up on the internet. I found this little tutorial on Khan Academy. It's a video, but it lists area equals half times b, which is base, times height. Pretty straightforward. So then I'm going to go back to my Trinket, and I'm going to start working on my code. So I'm going to need a variable. I need my half times base times height. So since I'm dealing with a triangle, I'm going to say triangle underscore base, and that is going to equal my input. And my input's going to say something like, please enter the length of the base of your triangle. Okay, now something we need to be aware of when I ask for that input and run my code, which I can do right now. It says, please enter the length of the base of your triangle. I spelled triangle wrong. I hate when I do that. There we go. I need to think about this because right now it is a string. All right, and being a string, Python is going to look for words. So if somebody types in 10, it's going to read the word 10, T-E-N, but not see the numerical value for 10. So I'm going to tell it, okay, let's be an integer. So I'm going to tell Python, hey, this is an int or an integer, which is a number. Finish up those parentheses there. And we're going to do this so later on we can print it out nice and easy. All right, so I've got my triangle base. That integer is the input. Please enter the length of the base of your triangle. Then I need another variable because it's base, half times base times height. All right, so I'm going to continue on with my variables and say triangle, and I'll call that one height. And that is also going to equal an input, but I want to have this one to be an integer as well, so int, input, and what I want to ask the user, please enter the height of your triangle. Okay, so now I've asked for those two inputs. Enter the length of the base of your triangle. I'll say it's 10. Enter the height of your triangle. I'll say it's 10. Nothing happens because I haven't coded more, but we are well on our way to being good to go. Okay, so now I need to input my code. So I am going to say, over back in my code window, print. What do I want it to print? I want it to print the half times my triangle base times my triangle height. So triangle base times triangle height. And if I did my code right, it should run and spit out the area of that triangle. So length, we'll say 10, height is 10. It says 50 is the area of the triangle. Now, unfortunately for the user, this isn't very nice. It doesn't tell the user what it is. All right, I want to tell the user, hey, this is the area of your triangle. So I'm going to come to the line ahead, and I'm going to cheat a little bit and say print. What do I want to print? I just want to print a new line. This is just going to add a space, but I need to make sure I put it in double quotes. Okay, so I'm all set for there. Now, let's make another print line. Print. And I'm going to say the area of your triangle is. I'm done with that piece, and then I need to add my variables. Okay, so I'm going to tell it, before we converted our string into an integer, now I need to go backwards. All right, I need to tell Python, hey, I started out with a string in this print line, the area of your triangle is, and then I'm going to add the string, so call it string. What string am I going to add? I'm going to add the half times triangle base times triangle height, and since I know it's here, I'm just going to make life easier. Control C on my keyboard. Control V. That looks about right. Let's run it and see if it works. Ask me what the length is, say 10, what the height is, 10. It spits out 50 from the first print line, and then it says the area of your triangle is 50. That's it. That tells me the area of that triangle. I hope this helps you figure out other little small math equations, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.